Good morning, and thank you for subbing for me today. So in this fifth grade class, we will be reviewing and introducing the main concepts of the Civil War. Previously to this lesson, we will have gone through the Louisiana Purchase and the conflicts leading up to the Civil War. And after this lesson, we will continue to explore the deeper causes of the Civil War and the different views of each side. So during this class, we will be using the Nearpod software that each student will have on their laptop. And so as the Civil War is introduced, the students will be taking these first three poll questions just to see what the students know and see if they have any prior knowledge of the topic of the Civil War. So you can just go ahead and send them this software, and they will pull it up on their computers and take these questions in their own time. Then you will come across this video for the YouTube link, and the students can play this video and watch this 6-minute video about the Civil War, an overview of it, and the main leaders in the Civil War. Then the students will take a 10-question quiz about the Civil War and just the main leaders as explained in the video. And so once they're done that, there'll be a submit button on the bottom right that the students will complete this quiz. They'll go through these 10 questions. And that will be it, and then they can just submit the questions once they are done. So thank you so much for subbing for me today and just introducing the topic of the Civil War. I hope my students just really understand this concept and the main leaders of the Civil War through this exercise and activity. Thank you.